The cost of insurance for a Chevrolet Corvette can vary based on several factors. Here are key factors that can influence Corvette insurance costs. Driver profile, your age, driving history, and the number of years you've been licensed are significant factors. Younger drivers or those with a history of accidents may face higher premiums. Location, the area where you live and park your Corvette can impact insurance rates. Urban areas or regions with higher rates of accidents and theft may result in higher premiums. Coverage levels, the type and amount of coverage you choose play a crucial role. Comprehensive coverage, which includes protection against theft and non-collision events, is generally more expensive than basic liability coverage. Deductible, the deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before insurance coverage kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premiums, but increases your upfront costs in the event of a claim. Insurance provider, different insurance companies have varying policies and rates. It's advisable to obtain quotes from multiple providers to find the best coverage at a competitive price. Usage, how you use your Corvette can affect insurance costs. If you use it as a daily driver or for long commutes, your premiums may be higher compared to occasional recreational use. Credit history, in some regions, your credit history may be a factor in determining insurance rates. A good credit score may result in lower premiums. Safety features, the safety features and anti-theft devices installed in your Corvette can influence insurance costs. Vehicles equipped with advanced safety features may be eligible for discounts. Model year and trim, newer Corvette models or high-performance trims may have higher insurance costs due to their higher market value and repair costs. It's essential to contact insurance providers directly to obtain personalized quotes based on your specific circumstances. Shopping around and comparing quotes from different insurers can help you find the most cost-effective coverage for your Corvette. Keep in mind that these factors can change over time, and periodic reviews of your insurance coverage may help you optimize costs.